Weird men all the time message me about my feet in my DMs on Instagram, so I almost just threw up. Literally look at all my— watch Netflix all by myself. I think I'm gonna go to a coffee shop down. Ooh, I'm gonna call him right now. Right? Ew. So this morning I had dumplings for breakfast. And when I say breakfast, you gotta send it to me.
Yeah, I'll send that to you.
Yeah.
That was my goodbyes. Okay, all right. Oh, wait, I got a good one coming.
Oh, okay. I'll let them know if they order up. Usually, their cupcakes are good.
That was oh, I can't stand the tongue.
I can't. I need to brush my teeth after. Oh, I have one coming. It's brewing.
Yeah, I wonder, and so you guys can hear our burps better.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was a deep one.
I don't want. Can we have a knife?
Oh, it is. I wish I was having craving sweets more right now. Okay.
I hope.
Nothing's coming out today. Not right now. I'm gonna start working now, I think. You something better.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I saw Post Malone get a pool.
Yeah. Need to go look into that.
Period.
Sure.
If he's just like,
You know what happened?
yeah.
Jesus. Reaction videos. Drinking champagne and I literally burped like I let out burps like that because sometimes I'm just curious people's later. Bye.
Ready.
There it is.
Yeah.
You haven't burped once.
I know I can't. I don't know.
Okay, I'm sorry, I got, keep it coming.
Whenever I go, PayPal's down below.
I did it.
Tastes like pure fucking sugar. Oh wait, no, we
Farting it. I got weak ones.
Yeah.
Whoa, we're back. Over my head. Got people. Shouldn't normal. It's like someone who's got hemorrhoids. Some people do, some people don't.
I'm one. Let me interview you. Oh, that was weak. Here we go.
Dad.
Opera.
I believe.
From burping like that.
Not
True.
Do they expand when they come out of your hole?
Oh wait, I see. This is our mukbang. Why is that any different than being a man? I'm hoping it's a... Yeah,
that's
great.
awesome. I'm very proud of you. Wow, that part's involved.
Where's Mr. Costco?
Oh my god, excuse me. You like cannot relate. Cute. Tape. An X-Acto knife. I'm scared. Wow, this is too much freaking. Oh my. So wow, cute. Wow. Oh my god.
Go Hanukkah!
Sorry. And that's the tea, I guess now. We didn't even. Sorry. I don't know. I want to recreate. Wow, cute.
Not a makeup artist.
I'm just an eyeshadow base, but we're just kind of bad. I'm gonna add yellow under Ning. I keep on freaking burp. Oh my god. Recreating her photos. I did recreating photos. I don't know. We'll find out. Excuse me.
You live in
You.
Oh, that's
Ew, that tasted like mustard. That was weak.
all right. Wow. Oh,
School video. Okay, moving on. Wow. But yeah, to let you know you won. Ooh. As for Instagram, pay for my only yourself one of these. For sweat sets. Yum. Meal green, baby. Anyways, here's bye. Bye.
Disappointed?
Excuse me. Food is always great. You should ask for it. It's like sister struggling because I'll kill you in your sleep. Ooh, first impression. You're gonna want more of this. I think you're pretty. See? Cute. Hello?
Stuff from homemade too. Like customized.
Thank you.
2 hours. Sorry.
Wait, what was I gonna say?
Little insecure.
The nicest fake boobs in the Northeast. You'd rather be in a thong bikini.
The Q&A.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
Is this light made so low?
Hot mess.
Option for this outfit. I got these shoes. I think these are so. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. Sorry.
Okay, that's the way I said.
It was unnecessary. And maybe you changed the hair color a little too much.
Remember that?
Oh my god.
Hell, they also have a foot peel. Yeah.
That's not crooked, right?
Here, as someone in their 20s.
It was good. Brought a whole bunch of flavors home.
Oh my. Okay. Ready? I would love. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. So that's it. That's. Question, but oh my god, I decided that it's I don't have more fun.
Also, I think
Mentally okay. I'm gonna give it a fucking 1 out of 10.
0.
1 out of 10.
Fucking
Because I can drink
right
it.
here. Yeah, we'll go.
Sorry.
Something. Rose yapping about nothing.
Yeah. A smack.
Syrup and pinch of cinnamon on top. This is gonna get you amped.
Oh my god.
It's coming up.
Go, bro. I do it with Zach all the time. I'm like, hello? Hey, are you busy?
Yeah.
And then I just FaceTime him.
And I decline.
No, you don't.
Not serving up fruit or mashed potatoes as a side. It's always fries. So fries.
The hottest person that we have is a friend, and you said
Ooh.
we can obviously, brother.
Garfield, doesn't it?
It looks like some little, ew.
You just burped.
Oh yeah.
Raspberry, but still be fresh.
Yeah, I don't understand that. I have the frozen ones in my freezer right now. They are amazing. That was really hot. Sorry.
This looks better than the chocolate.
It's like drinking a cookie, which I don't like because it's like I'd rather vomit.
Yeah, I feel like this is gonna
Maybe want a hunk, a chunk. You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
I got Jack in the box.
That was really weird.
So much.
nice in the morning, like me and right. Right. 2 minutes. I come out in a minute.